Join me as I dive into the amazing new Smartsuite dashboard features and challenge myself to set it up completely with no coding skills. Hey, I'm Meagan from SheBuildSolutions, and I'm a Smartsuite certified expert and consultant, and I am diving in right now for the first time into the new dashboard update. I'm going to create a new view, dashboard, just call it dashboard for now. And over here, when I add a widget, I see there are a whole bunch of new widgets. So we've got a hero widget. Let's see what we can do. So let's say work more efficiently. She builds solutions. No code in AI services for women-owned businesses. And let's change image. So you can upload your own English image, or let's see what they have in Unsplash. Let's do a disk. Like this. And upload. Let's make it bigger because it's missing a lot of it. And some options here, we'll keep it like that. Style. You can change the style, but I like this one, I think. That's nice. And we can change the paddings, add a background color. Let's try this one. Wasn't exactly what I wanted to use, but it looks good, so I'm going to keep that. So when you add this, then up at the top it pops an add navigation. Let's see what that is. So this lets you group widgets in website-like navigation at the top of your layout. So let's enable it. So now you'll see this tab appeared here. So what do we want to have at different tabs? We can change them. We can make this called like home. And then we could have one called projects. We can have one get help. You can add your logo up there and a button. So we could add like a book a call button. Only these options for button colors. Let's try this. External URL or run a script, which is very cool. Open in new tab. So now we have this button here, which will let people book a call right from there. We can add multiple buttons. And then it also says we can add a footer down here. So we can enable that. Pick a layout, simple footer. Again, add your logo, your links, website, and the SheBuildSolutions.com. You can add your social links, tagline, and pick a background color. Just gonna pick a random one for now. It's fine. And save changes. Now let's add some other widgets in here. So that was the hero. Can add frequently asked questions. So questions and answers. So how can I get support? And then you can put your answer here. And you can add multiple. And then you can style them. So if you want them like laid out like a list, or if you want them in accordion format where you have to click on them to open them. It's big, so you can resize these widgets. But I guess not this one. You can move them up and down, and then the settings to edit them, change the highlight colors. You can make that one yellow, or duplicate are in there. So let's see what else there is. A web page, text block. Let's see what else is in here. Now, record display, this is something I'm really excited about. So right now we have record selector, record details with record history, record comments, and my work coming soon. So let's add record selector. So for record selector, first you have to choose the source of where you want the records pulled from. So in this case, I want the records pulled from our chip assistants, which are our AI assistants. Don't want people to be able to create new records, but in the drop down, I think I just want it to display that and maybe the status. Yeah. And then connected widgets, we're going to come back to that. We can add a description here. So select the AI assistant you need info about. And there's some styling options as well. Drop down or list. I like drop down. Neutral color palette or custom. The choices are a little bit limited here. But I think that's fine. It creates kind of like a cohesive look. Okay, so this, let's make this smaller. And then next to the record selector, let's put a record details. So what we want to happen is when somebody selects something in the record selector, we want them to be able to get details about it. So we'll say AI assistant details. And it says it's missing a source. So we have to click here and then it will have that ready for us to go. And then here we want to add the fields. So what fields do we want to see in the details? So I want to see the link. Nobody can edit it. Yes, display the field name. I'm not sure about the width right now. And I'd also like to see sample output, read only. And I'd also like to see if the sample output is linked. So you can see here, it's trying to show you what it's going to look at. And that would also, I want them to be able to edit that. And then let's see. Okay, so it is here. Let me resize it and put it next to the other one. That will make it easy for us to see what's going on. Try to make these like a similar size. But now I don't like that one has a color and that one doesn't. Does this one have a color option? Or what color? Style. Oh yeah, it does. So we can make these have the same color. So then what happens here is when I choose one of the AI assistants, and then it's going to come over here and show me which of the fields are filled in. So I can see this has this link in it, but this is still no. Should change the name to AI assistant. Okay, so that is cool. I want to move this down. So this is really helpful, and you could use this for so many different things. A PO, like pick your PO and then see all the details about it, or pick a student and see all the student details. Let's see what other new things we have in here. So we did record display, actions. So you can add in a filter widget. Coming soon, we've got a button row and a filter banner. That sounds good. So now we have a summary card. Oh, I was waiting for the summary card. So you can pick one of your sources. Let's see. Invoice and payments. We could pick payment outstanding, select it to sum, pick your color, and then add. So we can see now here the summary card, outstanding payments. Easily see outstanding payments is 0. And I'm going to put this all the way at the top, right? And then you could put a few over here, your top metrics, things that you're keeping track of. So you can add in the different views here. So we have pivot table, new. We've got card view, Gantt view, and timeline view, Kanban view, and map view coming soon. Charts, you can add in your charts. Looks like heat map, bubble, and scatter are coming soon. You can embed videos in here, custom code, add a data schema, countdown, world clock. I love me a world clock. Social media links, video conferencing, Figma and Envision embeds, and then Google embeds. So what I would actually like to do here is embed one of my AI tools, which is something that helps me write content. I'm just grabbing the link. So if I embed, copy the code, and then this is an HTML code. And I'm going to put my content bot in here. I'll make this bigger. But what you could do is you could put in a bot for customer support. You could put in a bot to help your clients work through a process. You could put in a bot that does really anything you can imagine. But it's very cool how you can take this chip bot and embed it right in Smartsuite. So here's a quick look at a dashboard that I built in less than 15 minutes. My first time using the new features that came out just today from Smartsuite. And so if you want to give that a try, just add a dashboard view and see what you can build. The new Smartsuite dashboard features really have the potential to change the way we work with data, because it's so much easier to streamline and to see everything all in one place, especially with this record selector and record details. And by removing the coding barrier, now you can focus on what matters most, which is once you get this set up, then using this to make informed decisions and drive business growth. So thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts on the new Smartsuite dashboard features, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more insights into the world of data management, work management, AI for business, be sure to check out our other videos.